How to link your account in Solo Leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and you will be prompted to link your account via Google, Apple or email. Then select the account where your game progress is already saved. If you are using email or Apple ID, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address and password, then verify your account through the email link sent to your inbox. If you choose Google, simply select the account and you will be successfully logged in. If you are already inside the game and want to link your account, tap on the top right corner of the screen. In the bottom right, you will see the settings icon. Tap on it to open the game settings menu. Then go to the accounts section. From here, you can further link your account. You can also log out if you don't want to link the connected account and wish to use another account instead. Now you know how to link your account in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.